G'day folks, I'm Benno, this is The Shed. Today, got another little parcel in the mail. So this is a cheap stuff review. So let's see what we got in here and get this open. It's like a bit of a childproof package. There we go, just tear the guts out of it. Okay, this is a GoPro housing, and it's not what I ordered. I ordered the unit that has the cold shoe on it, and the housing for the GoPro audio connector. Oh, this is shit as well. That's fallen apart already. Look at that. Right, this will be going back. This is rubbish. Absolute fucking junk, and it's not what I ordered. Okay. Cheap stuff review, not happy again. Happy, not happy, well, wasn't that cheap, you know, it's 10 bucks, 12 bucks or something, but it's not the part that I ordered. So, not impressed. Who'd it come from? Zhaolaxi Technology Company, Suite 32, Level 3, Building 4B, 4 Lord Street, Botany, New South Wales. Okay, I'll be on to them and let them know that it's not what I ordered and I want the thing I ordered. Okay, catch us guys.